In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm making $35 over and over and over again for simply sending out one email, right? So this is affiliate marketing training with Alex. I'm going to show you guys how I make $35 over and over again simply by sending out an email with email marketing and building an email list. So we are inside a website called 𝐸∞ right? 𝐸∞, and I'm promoting this offer right here, right? That's going to pay me $35 per sale in commissions, right? So this offer right here that I'm promoting is going to pay me $35 per sale. And I'm going to simply send out an email to my email list. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in the video, but this is all I'm doing, right? Simple and easy. I hit promote. I come over here and I'm simply going to type in email. So I track my sales, so I know if I generate sales that the sales are coming from my email list. So I hit create hop link. I copy and paste this link right here. Well, yeah, copy and paste that link right here. Then I come over to GetResponse, right? So I use GetResponse for my email marketing software, right? GetResponse is the system with email marketing software that I use to send out these emails, right? So let's just go to my copy and paste email that I already written already. So let's just copy and paste this right here. Copy this. Then come back over to GetResponse, hit Control-V, right? Let's type this, let's space this out a little bit, like this. This is how simple, this is all I really do all day, right? All I simply do all day is collect emails, then send people emails, then inside the emails, they have affiliate links that make me money, right? So let's go like this, let's space this, let's go over like this, let's put this to the side, right? This is how simple and easy, and I show you guys how to do this, all this stuff in my training. Now remember when I said we got the link that's going to pay us $35? So we come back over to that link, we copy that link, we come back over to Aweber, and this is where I'm going to put the link right here. So we're going to highlight this, then come over and hit this button right here, then copy paste the link right there. As you see, copy and paste. Boom. We're going to do it right here again. Highlight it, come over to this link, copy and paste. As you can see, this is how easy it is, right? Once you build an email list, this is then you come down here, you scroll down, next step. Boom, let it load up, let it load up. It's going to send to 85 people. This is just one of my smaller lists. I have another email list of over 6,000 people, but this email list has only 85 people. This is a new email list I've grown over the course of a couple of days. So 85 people are going to get sent this message. As you can see, 85. We hit next step. Boom. We hit next step again. And that's all. And that's all, folks. We're going to wait 60 seconds. And those 85 people are going to receive that email. After they receive the email, they're going to click on the link. That's going to lead them to this page right here. When they go to that affiliate page, obviously I'm going to earn $35 per sale. So this is how I'm averaging anywhere from between $200 to $300 a day simply by collecting emails and sending out emails. And all I'm simply doing is going to 𝐸∞ to promote affiliate offers. I have my GetResponse linked to my capture page where I collect my email and build my email list. And this is just one of my capture pages that I use. So the person puts in their email right here. As soon as they put in the email right here, they go to my email list inside GetResponse. Then I send out emails every single day, like I just showed you, that lead to ClickBank affiliate offers that can make you $79 a sale, $197, $350 a sale, $523 a sale, $500 a sale, and $35 per sale simply by promoting ClickBank links and building an email list and sending out emails. If you guys want to learn how to do this, there's going to be a button below. Go click the button below. Go check out my course for yourself. Any questions, email me or text me. But this is how I make money every single day, by sending out emails. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.